All right, so I've got all the trim in. I'll go ahead and take care of looking at that in a little bit here, but right now what I'm doing is I'm pulling off all of the risers to the stairs, and I'm going to replace them with board that matches the flooring here. So I'm just got to take and get the rest of them here. I've got down to, let's see, this one here. Okay, so there you can see the riser there, and I've got the one here, and I got one more a little further down. So I got 3 left. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off, and then I'll be able to put the new boards in. So let's get to it. All right, I'm trying to be careful about this. I don't want to ruin these as I'm pulling them off. So just getting in here and trying to be as gentle as I can. Whoever put these in to begin with, they did a pretty good job of making sure that they fit, but they all only have a single nail in them, so they come off actually pretty easy. And we'll go ahead and get these, and sometimes the paint sticks a little bit, so get down in there. Oh, this one's got 2 nails in it. I'm just trying to be careful, gentle, get those things out of there. There we go. More. Now we'll flip over to the other side. And we'll go ahead and pull this one off. I'm just using a couple of little spatulas here, metal spatulas, and all I'm trying to do is just work it just a little loose. The nails in here aren't very long, so they really didn't go into anything more than just the drywall. Just trying not to crack them. There we go. Another one, single nail. This one will come off pretty easy, I think. Yeah, this one's only got 1 nail on it. There you go. And then the last part is to pop this lower piece off. We'll just move those down here really quick. Just trying to work these under here. See if I can move in the back. There we go, kind of got that one under there. Move it up, put it out. Eventually, it'll work itself out just enough. A little more. Very careful. All right, and then we'll work ourselves down the board. There's another one right in here. So by grabbing this, just putting a little bit of gentle force on it, and then working that spatula in there. And that one pops out, and the last one's out. So there it is. Those are out. Go ahead and do the next one. All right, so now that I have the trim pieces off, I gotta get this out. Now, I fell into a little bit of luck here when trying to pull these out because they didn't actually nail them in. So I've been able to, hopefully, get a little spatula under there and then just gently try and work it to the point where it wants to come out. There we go. and it's out. All right, just finished putting in the risers, and just to give you a look here down the hall here. Got the trim all in. Really love the way it turned out. Looks really, really nice. So, and then the piece that we have to do next is we're going to take and change all this molding around the doors and the windows to match the pattern that's on there. So there's that. And then the next part of what I did here is to change out the risers on the stairs. That's what we just did here. I still have to put a little kick plate there, and then I have a piece that I got to put that will actually replace this piece here and go and cover over the top of that, just like the kick plate will. So, and then I think we got some repainting we got to do, because the wall here, while my wife did a wonderful job of painting it, it's definitely taken some abuse over the years, so we'll have to redo that. You know. Anyway, that's it for this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. These are going to be shorter videos with just content of me doing the remodel and working to get all this stuff done. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. I hope you appreciate it, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much.